Morning, everybody. My name is Ravi, and this is my story. No, that's not me, but that's how I felt about education. Because back when I was a child, I wasn't very good at school. The only thing that brought a smile to my face was playing games. I spent entire summers playing video games. From games, I learned two important things: the value of practice and trying harder. I learned how to become a better learner by applying those skills. By the time I graduated with a gold medal in engineering. Over the last 14 years, I've been a teacher, and this is what I've seen in all my classrooms. Students have very short attention spans, and they do not practice their concepts enough. Without practice, there is no mastery. On the other hand, they are playing games endlessly. By the age of 21, every kid would have played over 10,000 hours of video games. 10,000 hours. That's the exact same number of hours that they would spend in school if they had perfect attendance. That's not all that bad, because games are powerful. Kids learn important skills from games. The value of persistence, they never give up. They pay great attention to detail. They have no fear of failure. They're creatively solving problems and collaborating with others. All of these skills, if applied to students, would make them better learners. But here is where we see the problem. Kids do not take what they learn in games and apply that to education or learning. That's why we are building Tap to Learn. Tap to Learn is a bridge that takes what kids learn in games and applies that to learning. Here's how we're doing this. Over the last 2 years, we've built over 50 apps by taking individual lessons and converting them into fun learning games. Each one of our games are goal-oriented, where children apply their education to solve an important problem. Let me show you an example. In our newest game, Tiny Countries, Tiny Chicken, our hero, learns geography to save the world. Saving the world from going all rooster-shaped by applying what he learned about countries and continents is what keeps kids engaged. While kids are playing our games, we are also tracking them on our platform on multiple dimensions so that we can zoom in into their areas of strengths and weaknesses. The key to building educational games is that kids should really love to play your games. And that's what we are seeing. Over the last year, we've had over 10 million downloads of our games. Parents love us because kids are learning by themselves while playing our games. And parents are willing to pay. We've made over $1 million from the App Store already. And this is continuing to grow with over 150,000 downloads every week. In fact, last week, that number was over 250,000, with Apple featuring 5 of our apps. Our users aren't sitting back either. They spent over 600,000 minutes learning yesterday. And they've solved over 2 billion questions using the Tap to Learn platform. Where are we going with this? In our vision, fun learning games is the way every kid will learn in the future. Let me be clear, we don't build one-off games. Our games are not random. They fit together naturally into a progression, much like curriculum does, by age, grade, subject, and skill level. Tap to Learn is a service that parents and children interact with over years. And this is a worldwide phenomenon, with billions of children and parents spending money on this. Tap to Learn is going to be a major player in this large market. We're the first ever startup to have done the Y Combinator and Imagine K-12 programs at the same time. We're backed by a great set of investors, including one of the largest gaming companies. Finally, we are Tap to Learn. We're building fun learning games to educate 1 billion people. Thanks.